and welcome back on my channel. For today's video, I will show you my go-to makeup or the makeup that I usually do when I go to the office or go out with friends, go out for dinner, or sometimes events. And for this video, I decided to use the products from SUNNIES FACE. I've thought of doing this makeup for a long time, mga months ago. I think a month ago ata. But medyo tinatamad ako and actually nagamit ko na siya lahat. So this is not review or this is not first impression or whatever video. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang gamitin like eto, yung mga products. And hindi ako gagamit ng brushes kasi unang-una, hindi ko pa nalalaman ng brushes ko. And second, pag ginagamit ko naman siya, usually do my makeup sa car or sa office lang, sa comfort room. So, wala akong dalang brush or anything. Kaya, okay naman siya gamitin kahit walang brush. So, sa loob niya, meron siyang 4 products. First one is the Girl Crush. Ching! And finally, meron na. Kasi before, nung nanalo ako sa Christmas ba yun? Yung Sunny Santa, the contest of SUNNIES FACE. So, I got a whole set of their fluff mats. But the Girl Crush, I gave it to my cousin. So, I'm so happy kasi in this collection, or Girl Crush yung shade na nandito. So, I'm so happy about that. And then, they also have, for the brows, this one, the SUNNIES FACE Life Brow. This is the skinny pencil in warm brown. So, yun yung kasama niya. And then, the SUNNIES FACE Life Brow Grooming Gel in warm brown as well. And may other, ano pa siya, I think ash brown yung isang shade. You can also buy this separately sa Shopee and sa Shopee Lazada. Ano pa ba? Yung isa, Beauty Manila. And yung sa ibang branches, stores nila. You can buy both or you can buy separately. And then the last thing here is this one. The SUNNIES FACE Hey Girl Glow Boss. Ayan siya. I already have the face makeup. I already applied moisturizer then CC cream. So let's start. I will start with the brows. Hindi ko siya tinitwist ng bongga. As in, konting product lang. Kasi before, I did that and nabali. Ginagawa ko is I line my brows. I start dito sa bottom part. And dinaline ko siya. Inuuna ko lagi yung ends, the tail. And I like it. Lately, ginagawa ko sa brows ko is straight lang. Ayan, gusto ko straight lang. Kasi mukha na nga akong maldita. Sabi nila, mukha akong galit lagi. Kaya medyo char lang natin yung brows. I hope soon they will add or create much darker shade kasi my brows are really dark. Parang pa-black na siya. I just fill in the gaps na meron sa kilay ko, especially here. Ayan. I'll be using the grooming gel. And what I like about this is yung brush niya, it's super thin. Ayan, di ba? And I like it na when you open it and when you get the product. Hindi siya yung super clumpy kasi yung minsan yung iba, pag kukuha ko, ginaganyan ko pa siya just to remove some of the product. So, ang ginagawa ko is I just brush it upwards sa hair. Ayan. I'm trying to apply it sa hair lang. I will use the Girl Crush Lippy for the eyes. And maglalagay ako dito sa under eye. And then I'll be using my eyelash curler to curl my lashes. For the blush, I'll be using the same lipstick, the same shade. I like it na ilagay sa cheeks but higher. Ayan. I mean, medyo malapit sa eyes. I like it that way. Kasi parang nililift niya yung face ko. I also like putting it here sa highest point of my cheeks. And there! Masyado akong mapula. Pero yan yung trip natin ngayon, kaya... Okay, so for the nose contour, hindi ko to na-try ever, like, for real. But now, for this video, I will try using the eyebrow pencil to contour my nose. Oh, I have lashes! Let's wish. Ginagawa niyo na ba yun? Even now, until now, I'm still doing that. See the difference from this? This one is contoured. Love it. Ayan. Much better. Okay, so the last product na nandito sa pouch is the Glow Boss. We will try this. Ayan. I will swatch it. Wow! Can you see that? So I will apply it here. Oh, girl. Beth. Grabe, it really melts. There you go. I think this look would suit my event look or dinner out look. Ganun. Or hugas pinggan look. I don't know. Depende sa mood. So, this is the final look, guys. Oh! What? Si Danica, wala earrings? She forgot her earrings? Well, no. So, dahil wala akong earrings ngayon, Titassels sent me a PR package. Yes! Hi there, Titassels. So, parang ano na rin to, unboxing. So, this is my first PR package for the year. First, baka nga hindi mo sana. I mean, so, this is a local brand from Iloilo. Tadaan! So, this is fresh from Iloilo. Actually, hindi na siya fresh kasi mag 1 week na to sa akin or magto 2 weeks na ata. So, Titassels, how do I say that? Titassels? No, it's Titassels, maybe. Sent me this PR package and open ko siya ngayon kasi nga I don't have earrings. So, I'll put here their Instagram account. It's Titassels. They're selling earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and it's handmade. Most of their products are handmade. So you can order from them. Here it is. Follow them and catch for the new uploads and promos. So I'll open this here. Wait, basahin ko muna. Danica. Oh my gosh, I feel so cute. Wala lang. Kasi parang what? Influencer na ba me? Or YouTuber na ba me? Kasi have PR package. So, this is from, yes, ilang beses na. Girl, yes, it's from Titassels. Oh my gosh. So, I will read the letter. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Enjoy your Titassels products. Tag us. Love Titassels. Danica. Danica. So, yeah. And I like it kasi it's very, what else, artistic. And talagang ginawa siya full of love and passion because it's handwritten. I mean, effort, diba? For every packages, not just the PR package, ha? Their packages, all lahat, mga, what is it? The packaging, it's really good. And this one, guys, it's hand painted. Ayan, makikita nyo ba? So cool, diba? Local, okay, local, handmade, and heart-made. Cute. Talagang nakala siya. Ayan. Itatago ko to, yung parang ratan na ano, you know. Yay! Excited. Hindi ko talaga siya binuksan. Ayan, fresh from Iloilo. Ilonggo made. Yo, excited, parang bata. Ayan. Charan! Hala, ang dami. Hala! Wala, ang dami. I thought kulang or 3, but they gave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Eh, OMG, 5. Oh, this is the necklace that I bought for 400 pesos. Ay, ang ganda, ang ganda. Every packaging is talagang handwritten. Ayan. Wait. Nakikita niyo ba? No? Picturean ko na lang. Yan. Handwritten siya. And, ayan. So, this is the necklace. G. Cute. So, parang ano siya, medallion pendant. Ganyan. And, I put my name, Dani, in front. And sa likod, G. Who's G? Stalk niyo ko. Dali. Joke. So, this is, suot ko kaya ngayon. Ay, I like it! Bet ko yung length, tamang-tama lang. Not too long, not too short. So, pwede. Ayan. Yay, so happy! So, this is now the actual PR na binigay nila for me. These are the earrings. 4 earrings. Ayan. Wow! Anong material to? I'm not sure. Parang clay. Ayan. Cute niya, diba? So, this is handmade. And this is handmade as well. Yung parang ano ba? Polymers clay. Yun ba yung tawag to? Parang ganun. I don't know. Basta, ganun siya. And then, the other one is this simple metal, silver metal lang na earrings. But I don't know how to wear this. Pero later, check natin. And they also gave me another necklace with my name on it. Danica. Ganyan. Pendant. And last, earrings. Yan. So, I will try one by one the earrings. First, ito muna, yung simplest one. Saan ba yun? Yung silver na metal. It's like this. Parang yan lang. Paano ba ito? Ah, papasok lang. Like this. Ay, yan. Alang cute. Parang wala lang akong suot. Parang ganung feeling. It's very, very light lang. Ayan. Tara! Lagay ko yung hair ko para kita siya. Ayan. So, this is the oh my gosh. This is the earrings, number 1. Cute! I like it. Okay, let's go to the next one. It's the white na clay. Handmade clay. Ano, ang cute niya. Ay, bet! Bagay sa outfit ko. Naka all white. No, I like it. Thank you, Titassels. I'm so happy. I love earrings. Gusto ko yung mga kakaibang earrings, yung sobrang laki. Wala lang. Kasi it really completes the look. Sometimes, naka-jeans lang ako, doll shoes, and like plain shirt or ano tawag dito? Basta t-shirt lang, ganun. And then, simple makeup. But, when you add earrings like this, or sobrang packed na earrings, see? It really changes the looks and it really upgrades the look. Looking extra. Pero maglalabada lang. Cute! Ayan. I like it. Fancy. It's the tassel, pero hindi siya tela. It's made of... Oh, it's made of paper. Parang papel, yeah. It's made of paper. Wow, ha? Effort. Ta-da! Wala, it's really good. I like this. Yan, ito yung gusto mo punta sa mga events. Like, what's up? Yo, what's up? Looking like... I look like $1 million. Diba? Pag nakaganto. But actually, 10 reals lang laman ng wallet ko. Cute! So, thank you, Titassels. I'll always say thank you. Forever grateful. Be grateful, guys, sa mga tatanggap ng blessings, big or small. The last earrings is this one. The handmade one. It's hook pala. Yan, hook siya. It's not, what do you call this one? Hindi siya hook. It's hook style. Earrings. Wow. Ayan. Yay! I like this. Bagay siya for summer. No beach vibes or boho type, Coachella vibes. You can wear this one and I can also wear this pag sa events. Before I end this video, I would like to ask for your help in behalf of Olive. She's the owner of Titassels. And last week, I guess, her son was rushed to the hospital and was diagnosed with meningitis and pneumonia. And they're currently having a fundraising to help him fight the said diagnosis. So, if you could please click the link down in my description box. I might also link down below the post that Olive posted. Please contact them if you could help monetary wise or prayers. Yes, prayers, guys. So please, please, please help by sharing it and praying for baby Lucas. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so I decided to wear this one for the outro. I guess ito yung pinaka-favorite ko among the 4 earrings. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you liked this video. And if you do, please give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe on my channel here. And yes. Kasin! Go film! Oh! Hipos! Kainis. Pinsan ko. Ganyan yan pag clingy. It's freezing.